A code editor is a tool specifically designed for writing and editing code. It is an essential tool for developers, enabling efficient coding with features like syntax highlighting, automatic indentation, error checking, and code snippets. Visual Studio Code is one of the most popular code editors, and it is free to use. In this video, we will go over the steps necessary to download and install Visual Studio Code. After installation, we will go over some very important settings to customize your development environment, like choosing a theme, font, etc., and also some very important extensions which will help you learn faster. Make sure you follow all the steps in this video. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey into the world of programming and web design. I'm thrilled to have shared this new experiences and knowledge with you, and I hope you found my tutorials both informative and engaging. As we conclude this chapter, I want to encourage you to continue learning and growing with me. Let's keep pushing the boundaries of programming and technology together. Don't forget to share your thoughts, questions, and feedbacks in the comment section below, share to help others discover our community, and subscribe to stay updated on my latest tutorials and be the first to know about new content. See you next video.